to the city streets, we began to feel the fire.
We have been told that Microsoft Office is a spreadsheet package which many companies use it to produce their worksheets. It helps to organize business decisions. It also helps in order to analyze data and make some informed business decisions. Specifically, you can use Microsoft Excel to track data, build models for analyzing data, write formulas to perform calculations on that data. So you can use it to calculate, you can use it to do lots of things. You can use it to analyze data, you can use it to perform works in the company, and they provide the data in numerous ways and present data in a variety of professional looking charts. So Microsoft Excel has been a very important computer package that every student needs to know, because most companies now are hiring people who have knowledge on computer, and not just on computer, but those that really know how to use Microsoft Excel very well. And that is more reason you need to keen in to this tutorial and listen very well. If you're in any way not getting any of the thing, you can watch the video. Okay, please, you can watch the video